So the factory experience is a project we do every year where I lead a team to design, develop, and manufacture a consumer product.
We want to give attendees at AU a sense of how a consumer product comes together by taking them through the manufacturing process.
What we try to show here is every aspect of the production process and the design process to educate and inform everybody that comes in.
And the product this year is the Fusion Multi-Measure. What's cool about this year is this product was designed in collaboration with Rochester Institute of Technology.
RIT and Autodesk have had a great partnership. We go back over 12 years. So we were one of the first outside of Autodesk to start using Fusion.
RIT connected us to the next generation of designers. We're able to leverage creativity from young minds to come up with a cool idea and help us make something really cool that people really want.
I think that the exposure that students get through the factory experience is great. It exposes them to different companies, different manufacturing technologies. Receiving direct feedback and encouragement from industry is something that helps them to elevate the quality of the work that they do.
It's nice to see something that you designed as a student come into life.
HP came in as a premier sponsor and enabled this whole thing to happen.
We're always looking for new visions, new technology. We partner with Autodesk because they cover so many pieces of the ecosystem.
We worked with HP to basically kit out the whole factory. Each one of these partners is part of our technology program. We're using our own products, working with the partners that we want our customers to work with. And that helps us empathize with what our customers are going through and make better products for them.